This one they happen inside Ghana. They say confusion don dey shele for inside the new Pokuase interchange where they build inside Ghana there. They do one kind road. If you na see this road, lungu 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 lungu. You will, in fact, wear glass times 2. You no go even understand this road. They say now government people now do this road. Call Chinese people. Chinese people say they even confuse your brain. Now then they call say make them these people can't do this road. Say now there people begin climb road. Person we saying they go Accra, in go pass saying they go Akosombo. Everybody begin confused for this road. My people beg. Make no bless how they overtalk. Make na follow me watch.
Eti we say no waira enya ne kwan so na onam no. Baby onami eye ekwan ya efiri kwabenya ekọ ekwan ya ufiri Pokuase ba anka wo de kwabenya no nde waten ne etuwe asankanye national road safety pani na gina wa anka oni ka kase yi ebetimi edi enhyiamu enti asemu a ekoso ewo ahase no ni ama na twa U10 a wo kọ no enye ne kwan ya enti obi bi obedura no so be na adwese wo twa U10 bia na national road safety panyini a kire ne kwan ya ewo se ofaso we ka afoforo so na ba bedi so you know so no so ya na adwese anko obetwa U10 edi papi e na etwa U10 bebre kopem se national road safety mpanifo yi eba ho.
Hey, drivers don't begin head wrong direction. Motorway supposed go front, it don't they turn backward. How they build this road abeg? Now Snake Island they use to do the direction of this road because I don't even understand. On a do road finish, at least courtesy. Man are supposed to on say on a go put signboard. On a no put. In a con Caribbean road safety I been waiting. Drop for them in the con abeg which they won't finish. How many people you want direct? And I know all this Ghana police later now. This man went fast one way, a big wrong way. They fit go arrest him. Give him paper cut ticket for us to make him pay. Hey, which this mistake? No be your mistake. Oh. No be even do this mistake. Now the road where they build, now they confuse people. But like this man go control tire because if this kind of start to they happen for night, the kind accident will go here. In fact, we don't go fit count. Because this way motor they pass left, go come out for another count. I know they understand. On a short say I use map they build this road. On a short say as now they do this road on an open eye, well I connect and because even me, why they look the picture, they even look the video, say me go and feel confused. I feel pass and now say make I pass here, enter, I will go reach Nigeria. I will go follow and enter another road. But I beg, government people, be an signboard, be an I don't even know the necessary thing we're supposed to do for them. Make can I put them? Because this one, it go just the cause confusion for people with their route. Put the thing, if na Accra they go, make it go the Accra. If na Akosombo abi na where they go, make it go that place. Make people know where they go. Make it not come be say person go stop for road, say he won't ask for direction. This matter is funny. It just come out funny because our person go say they go here, he no go even know road. On a do road finish now, na come be like say na the confused person. I sure say even the government will build this so if na put them for road, say okay, pass here go this. I even sure say themselves they go even conf. Then say go confused, they go surprise. What do we even build up for here? So my people, I beg people they complain. Say this road when I doing, if they confused, they don't even understand. They don't know be on a geography map they go use. They use know this road. Be how they want to be on a Google map. They never understand as they want to do the road. So be on a person go direct. I be na go put signs. Okay, oh, here now this place they go. I be na here now this side they go. Make na do so that people go know where they go. Make they no go they confused for road. You no go take na anything. She can money when I don't spend they do this at least change go remain. If na ordinary signboard, make na just put them. Even though be say na big one, even if na small, make na just do and there. So that people go know say okay, oh, we no go they lost again, we no go they confused. Because this one if it be means for all these police people self to the hustle. Any small thing that they go arrest you say you pass wrong goods, they won't collect money. Make na no go they make people just they vex for unnecessary reason because of road they be say on they do say on I want help people but be like say this na help now it don't return to ungratefulness. My people I hear this one inside Ghana I want to make I bring a common aside make na service na here waiting they happen. Make na don't forget to comment, like and also share this video. I go see you on for our next video.